Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your Wi-Fi not working on your POCO M8. If your Wi-Fi is not working, you may want to first go to Settings, Wi-Fi, and try just toggling it off, waiting for a little moment, like 15 seconds, and turning it on. Then, of course, trying to connect to an actual network. You may want to also try to connect to a different network as well. But of course, you probably want to fix your network. So also, you may want to go to the network that's not working. If you cannot connect to it here, then go to Additional Settings, Manage Saved Networks, and then delete it here. Forget network. And then try to connect to it again, enter its password, of course, and let's see if it does connect. Okay, now if it still doesn't work, if you can restart your router and also restart your phone by pressing on Power and Volume app at the same time, sliding down to reboot, wait a little moment, it will reboot your phone. It may fix some issues. Later on, we'll try resetting network settings in, but remember, resetting network settings forgets all your Wi-Fi passwords and your Bluetooth devices, so make sure that you know your password, so you won't have problems reconnecting to the Wi-Fi later, or any other Wi-Fis that you've ever been connected to and you may want to be connected in the future, but you don't know the password. So in order to reset the network settings, go to Additional Settings in Settings app. Then there will be an option. Sorry, I think it's in a different place. I think it is in a different place. It may be in About Phone, Backup and Restore, or is it here? No, it's not Factory Reset. It should be something else. Hold on a second. Okay, on this phone it's in More Connectivity Options. Then you can go to Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks, and Bluetooth. Select it. You can select. It will reset all of them. Select Reset Settings. Click on OK. And now it says they have been reset. Let's try reconnecting. And that should fix the issue. If it still didn't, then try to connect to any network that you can connect to, as long as you can to any. If you cannot, maybe try using mobile data, but that will use quite a lot of mobile data, quite a few gigabytes. And I'm speaking about update now, because updating your system may resolve some issues. And to do that, go to About Phone, then go to tap on Xiaomi HyperOS. And now if there's an update available, you'll have a blue button right here telling you to update. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.